here today with the 2023 Lamborghini STO, and just look at that front fascia. Very aggressive, plenty of carbon fiber. If you guys get close, you see all the carbon fiber in the front bumper. I really like this two-tone accent. Beautiful Lamborghini badge. And of course, you also have the Italian flag right over here with the STO. These huge openings, which are functional. STO, for those that don't know, means Super Trofeo Omologato. Basically, this is a race version of the Lamborghini Huracan. Huge wheels and brake setup. You have 245/30 on a 20-inch wheel. Some more carbon fiber right over here. And this car just looks beautiful. Low profile, some more carbon fiber. Two-tone accent on the side panel here. Beautiful ala wing from Lamborghini. And of course, it's like they grabbed a bucket of carbon fiber and they just threw it on this car. Even the rear end is very aggressive. Dual exhaust, rear diffusers. As you can see in the opening here behind the rear bumper, you also have an opening and you can also see the wheel. I mean, not the wheel, but the tire. The engine is completely covered up. I mean, beautiful, beautiful car. The wing is also adjustable, so you can adjust it for different race settings. Right now, I don't know if you can see it, but it says medium. But you can adjust it back and forth, you know, depending on what you're gonna do with the car. You're gonna take it to the racetrack or whatnot. You also have these vents everywhere just to keep the engine cool. You have the vents right here, right behind the rear side panel. Functional roof scoop to cool the engine bay. But overall, it's a very, very beautiful car. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. You have some more carbon fiber. And look at that beautiful door panel. There's no cup holders or anything like that. It's very simple. Remember, this is a race car. So no cup holders or anything like that. Full carbon fiber panel. This is your door handle. Basically, it's just a strap. There's another strap to help you close the door. Your window switches are right over here. Lock and unlock button. Beautiful door sill that says Huracan. Take a look at those seats, guys. Beautiful, beautiful two-tone seats. Black Alcantara with blue stitching. You have an opening over here right behind the seats to see the engine compartment. Alcantara all throughout the roof. This car is currently for sale here at Lamborghini Broward for $360,000. It has a 5.2 liter V10 engine making 670 horsepower, made it to a 7-speed automatic transmission. This car is also rear-wheel drive. These are your pedals. Of course, you have your brake and your accelerator. Right here on the side, you have your light switches. All right, so going into the interior, as I mentioned, very low profile. It is extremely beautiful in here, guys. You have this beautiful sporty steering wheel with carbon fiber Alcantara. Of course, you have your carbon fiber paddle shifters that feel absolutely great. You have your mode selector right here. You have some media controls and cruise control buttons right here on the sides. Your Lamborghini cluster. Here's your AC vents. You have the buttons over here. For example, you have this button to raise and lower the vehicle. You have your window switches on the sides, your hazards, traction control off, and auto start on and off. Lamborghini emblem right there. You also have a cup holder right here. It's kind of hidden. It's actually pretty hard to find. These are your AC vents. Alcantara, as you guys can see. Over here you have your sun visor. It's very small little mirror. Your lights. This is your gear selector, your engine start stop, and this screen, even when the car is off, you can still see the Lamborghini logo right there, even when the car is off. A cigarette lighter. There's no wireless charging or anything like that. This is your parking brake, and right behind the driver and passenger seats, you have 2 storage space and a net. And just look behind at that engine bay. Very nice. I also like the carbon fiber on the seats. And the combination of black Alcantara and the blue stitching, the blue accents, is just amazing. Shift lights right over here. For when you shifting gears, you know, the lights illuminate to let you know when to switch. The seats feel extremely comfortable in here. They feel very race-like. They really hug you. I really like the way they feel. It's not that uncomfortable. But yeah, I really like this car, man. But that's pretty much it. That's the Lamborghini STO interior. You guys already know that this thing sounds amazing. I mean, you heard it when it was being parked. It sounds glorious. The Lamborghini V10, I love the way it sounds. Alright, so that is it on this beautiful Lamborghini STO. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button and make sure you guys subscribe for more car content. I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. Peace out.